fresh, bright Mediterranean flavor. Today we're making cannellini bean and sun-dried tomato ceviche that's fresh, colorful, and full of Mediterranean flavor. Let's get started. Gather a handful of fresh vegetables, creamy beans, bright citrus, and a few pantry favorites to create this refreshing summer dish. Start with the lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and seasonings. Then whisk until the dressing is smooth and well combined. Combine the vegetables and beans. Add the dressing, then gently fold everything together until every bite is lightly coated. Chill for a few minutes, then serve with crackers or as a light lunch full of fresh Mediterranean flavor. Discover more quick meals in my 10-minute Healthy Meals ebook. The link is in the pinned comment. Fresh vegetables, creamy beans, and bright lemon make every bite light, colorful, and delicious. Join Yum's Kitchen for free and get exclusive member extras. The links for today's recipe and to join Yum's Kitchen are in the pinned comment. See you next time.